Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 on Friday, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis on gold from Friday morning, make sure you check that out, linked over here at the end of this video. So we did have some pretty important news coming out of the U.S. tonight, which is that Biden did decide to drop out of the presidential race in 2024. So that could be a pretty big deal because if the market thinks that the Republicans are going to win the presidential race, then that should price in a very strong stock market and indices, especially U.S. dollar, obviously, and possibly a very weak U.S. dollar. A weak U.S. dollar could lead to rallies on things like gold, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. That doesn't mean the market's just going to open up and gold's just going to shoot right to the roof. I just think on the very high time frames that there's a very good chance that we could still see that big uptrend that I've been talking about. So if we do get a break of structure to the upside, I personally would keep an eye out for longs. If you don't get a break of structure to the upside, then just keep on going short on shorter time frames. Just be aware that we do have some pretty big news coming out from the US, so we'll have to keep an eye on the stock market and the Forex pairs, the US dollar Forex pairs, around market open. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.